Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a Ulanzi vlogging mini light. Alright, let's take a deeper look into this thing. So this is a Ulanzi VL28 mini light. This thing is so small and light and compact. It's crazy. So in the package, it's literally not much can fit in there. So you have the light, your cold shoe mount there that screws in the bottom, and a short, very short USB to USB-C charging wire. This has USB-C plug on the side of it there. You can see it a little bit there. And then on the one side on the corner there is a little lanyard loop to put a string attached that is actually still in the package. You can't see it there. And got a little texture on the back there. There is a light indicator. There's 3 little dots up there. You see that? When it's on, it's kind of like a battery indicator on how much juice you have. There's just 3, so really in reality, if you see one light's out and you're going to use it, plug it back in. This way you know it's charged up for the next time you want to use it. Also, on the light, it comes this little rubber silicone, kind of makes the light a little bit dimmer. So let's just turn this on real quick. You should be able to see. So you can see how it's white in color. So you hold down the power button, bam, there we go. That's on. It's pretty bright, and you could actually see on the back there, see the blue lights? We're fully charged up. So this is at its best here. So click the button again, gets a little brighter, more brighter. Now we got a flashing mode, and just on, and you hold it down, there you go, it's off. So when you first turn it on, it starts at its lowest brightness. Click it a few more times, brings it up to its brightest brightness. Click it again, has that flash mode. Really don't know why these little tiny things have those flash modes, but whatever, I'll get over it. The reason why I really got this thing was for a little light that was a little bit cheaper on Amazon than what Gopro sells their micro light. This is just about the same size for about 1/3 of the price. I wanted to check it out, see how well a light would work before spending the amount that GoPro sells theirs for. So I have this is a GoPro Hero 9 black, and I have the media mod attachment. I just don't have the foam over the microphone, so it's not that big. So you have your cold shoe on the top, and there's one on the side under the microphone. So if I wanted the light, put it on, screw it down, and it's not that big. It's really not. Even if I had this giant silicone thing over it, it just doesn't take up much space or much room. So you can have the light on there. You can still do external mic, which I might buy. I'm not too sure yet. So you could put the light here on the top real quick at a spin, or put it down on the side. And if I'm crunched for space on height, whatever, if I'm going to turn sideways or film upside down, whatever, there is a option. Options are limitless for this thing. So, Ulanzi mini light, type it in on Amazon, should come right up. I believe this thing was about, I don't know, it was under 20 bucks when I bought it. I bought it a while back, haven't gotten time to open it up until now. So, but yeah, it was definitely under $20. That's why I bought it. And just to check out really the height between a small light for the GoPro camera, it's going to work good for the applications that I am going to use it for with the GoPro on my small GoPro gimbal and stuff like that. So it's gonna work out for what I'm buying it for, the videos that I'm going to be doing in the near future, where I'm gonna need a little bit more light, just a little bit. And this thing by Ulanzi will definitely do what I need it to do. That's all I had to show you today. If you like this video, hit that like button down below, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. It'll alert you every time there's a new video out. Thanks for watching.